opening the microwave! Tyler! This is Tyler, looking out the window. Tyler, back! No! Ah, he's grown immune to it! Go! Look at Samantha in her natural habitat. She's a beauty with this distinct coloration. Let's see if she wants some chips. We'll just leave it in her headband for when she's ready. Oh well, on to the next one. Here she comes now! Oh God, we're safe for now.
This is the great sitting tree.
What a beauty!
Made for sitters. It came from leaves.
These are American reindeer. They're perfect for the rainy season. On, Cupid!
This is a Jackie. I don't know if you can see right now because she's blending in with the wall. Where'd she go? She's still there.
This is Tyler. Where's he going?
I don't know.
Let's follow.
He's foraging.
Oh God, he's going so fast now.
Go.
Where's he going?
Go.
Tyler.
Go. Go.
Do I go in?
Where'd she go? Oh no! Jackie and Tyler have mated. Look at the babies. Look, twins. It's another happy ending from